Go.
All right, class, today we're going to talk about expanded form. So right here I have the number 147. An expanded form is when we make that number grow. So we're going to take all the parts of the number and expand them. So we have 7, which would be in the ones place. We have 40, which is 4 tens in the tens place. And then we have 100. We have 100 in the hundreds place. If you take that number and put it back together, we have 147. Now, if we take that number and we scramble it up, let's say we put the 40 first, we put the 7 next, and 100. Well, that's not really how we read numbers. So we want to make sure that we're putting it back in order. But sometimes we will see numbers like this out of order. So you have to know what comes first. So let's start with our hundreds because it's the biggest place value. So we'll put our hundreds over first. Now we're going to take our 40 because the tens place will go next. We'll stack it on. Then we'll take our 7 for the ones place, and our number is 147. So once again, it does not matter what order the numbers are in. As long as you know their place value, you can put them back in order. So let's do it with another number. I have a 5 in the ones place. I have a 20 for the tens. And I have a 200. So our number is a 200, a 20, and a 5. Right now it's expanded. So it would say 200 plus 20 plus 5. If I wanted to put it into standard form, I can do that easily, just like we've done in school before. The number is now 225. Now let's scramble it up a little bit and just put these numbers in order. Now its expanded form shows 5 plus 200 plus 20. What's this number? Well, we know how to put it back into standard form. We'll start with our hundreds first. We have 200. Then we'll put our tens place back on top. So now we have 220. And we can't forget our ones, which is 5. So our number is 225.